If you want to know how to post on X, formerly Twitter, for business, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step method to create a professional business post, add a strong call to action, attach media if you need it, and publish or schedule it the right way. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing an update, or trying to drive traffic to your website, this workflow will help you post with more confidence and get better engagement. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to x.com or Twitter, depending on how your account is displayed. Once you're on the platform, look for the blue post button in the left-hand sidebar. On some layouts, you may also see the text box at the top of your home timeline that says, "What is happening?" Click either one to open the post composer. This is where all of your business content will be created. Now let's talk about the most important part of the post itself, your message. When you're posting for business, don't start with something vague. Start with a strong hook that quickly tells people why they should care. You want your first sentence to solve a problem, highlight a benefit, or create curiosity. For example, instead of saying something generic like "we're excited to share an update," try something more direct like "stop wasting hours on manual work every morning." That kind of opening gets attention fast. Next, format your post so it's easy to read. X is a fast-moving platform, so scannability matters a lot. After your hook, press enter to create spacing. Then break your message into short lines, bullet-style points, or emoji bullets if that fits your brand. Keep your sentences short and clear. The goal is to make your post easy to skim in just a few seconds. Focus on 2 or 3 key benefits, features, or tips. If you're promoting a product, you might list what it does, who it helps, and what action the reader should take next. If you're sharing a business tip, keep it tight and practical. Short sentences usually perform better because they feel easier to read on mobile. Now add 1 or 2 relevant hashtags. Don't overload the post with too many tags because that can make it look messy. Instead, use specific hashtags that match your niche, like small business, digital marketing, SaaS, e-commerce, or whatever fits your audience. The purpose is to help people who don't follow you discover your content without making the post look spammy. Once your text is ready, it's time to attach media or engagement tools if needed. At the bottom of the composer, you'll see a row of icons. If you want to add a photo or video, click the media icon, choose your file from your computer, and upload it. If you want to make the post more engaging, you can also add a GIF by clicking the GIF icon and searching for something relevant. Another great option for business content is a poll. Polls are useful when you want people to interact with your brand, answer a question, or vote on a topic. Click the poll icon, type your question, add your answer choices, and set the duration if needed. This can be a smart way to boost engagement and learn more about your audience at the same time. Now let's add a call to action. This is the part where you clearly tell people what to do next. For business posts, your CTA should be simple and direct. You might say click the link to shop now, reply with your thoughts, visit our website, or sign up for updates. Then paste your clean website link right next to it. Keep the link visible and easy to understand. If you're promoting a product or service, make sure the CTA matches the goal of the post. A good CTA can make a huge difference in clicks and conversions. Before you publish, take one last look at everything. Check your spelling, make sure the link is correct, and confirm that your hashtags fit the topic. Also make sure your post reads clearly on mobile, because that's where most people will see it. If everything looks good, you have 2 options. To post immediately, click the blue post button in the bottom right corner. If you want to publish later, click the schedule icon, choose your date and time, and confirm the schedule. Scheduling is especially useful for business accounts because it helps you stay consistent and post during peak engagement times. And that's it. You now know how to post on X for business the right way, write a strong hook, format it for readability, add a few relevant hashtags, attach media if needed, include a clear CTA, and either post now or schedule it for later. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.